Okay, here we are looking at, I'm going to try and get this right because I stuffed it up before, Sascha's puppies and Daphne's girls. Okay, so I've got 5 puppies here, and that's who they are. Oh dear, dog fight. That's nice. Whoa, goodness me. Savage hound. Hang on. Well, this one here is Sascha's little boy that was the swimmer. He's the one who couldn't walk and looked like a little turtle. He had as flat as a board and had his legs sticking out sideways. So you can see he's got better, which is terrific. But whether we'll be able to find a home for him or whether we'll give him away or what we'll do, we don't know yet, because he's still a bit flat. As you can see, he's sort of, compared with the others, he's a bit broad across the chest. This one here is one of Daphne's puppies. This is 1639, for those who want to know the name. She's very friendly. Whoa, look at you. Yes, she is. She's trying to climb up me. It's hard to get away from her. Okay. She's a beautiful little puppy, and she's very friendly, and I think she's no, she's not going to be a shedder. Okay, so this one here is 1605, and that's another one of Daphne's. Also friendly little puppy. How are you, sweet? Oh, aren't you beautiful? She's very pretty. She's got those darker ears. She's a bit pale, but with darker ears. She's got a lovely coat. Definitely not going to shed. Who are you? You're my friendly one, aren't you? You're the same little rapscallion that keeps climbing. 1977. No, that's a different one. This is 1977. And she's very friendly, sweet little puppy. Okay. So that's my swimmer. Look at him. Very cute. And who's this? That's not very elegant. What are you doing? Wait, come here. Who are you? Oh, this is Sascha's other puppy. Okay, so this is Sascha's second puppy. That's Sascha's little swimmer. I hope I haven't said it was Stella's, because I keep saying that. And that's Sascha's other puppy. That's the little female. She's very cute. All she wants to do is rough with the others at the moment. Okay, so there we go. We've got 3 beautiful babies, 3 beautiful girls. As you can see, they're very friendly. They just want to climb all over me. As does this poodle. That's Molly. She just wants to get in on the act. Okay, they're beautiful babies. I'm so afraid these videos are really terrible. I'm sorry. But it gives you an idea of what they're like, and they're obviously very friendly. Look at him. You see how he's flat? Funny little dog. And he can't eat my microchip radar. Okay, so that's those puppies.